A lot of comments, or maybe a little bit of comments or something that's saying I'm not securing my load correctly, okay? Here in this video, YouTube and my TikTok followers, if you see this, I'm going to explain the regulations for you, how I do it. So everyone's like, oh, this is going to be a DOT violation. DOT is not going to honor that because it's attached to the rub rail, okay? That is not the case. First of all, my route and trailer is rated to be to use the rub rail, okay, for straps and chains. Second, the law clearly states that you can hook to the rub rail or outside of the rub rail if the load does not allow for you to go on the inside. For example, these are my 4-inch straps, okay? My 4-inch straps, and they run on the inside of the rub rail. There's the winch. These are my 2-inch straps right over here. Right here, my 2-inch straps. Please tell me, where is there a 2-inch winch? There isn't. So either I have to get a J-hook, which is not going to be always working well for you, depending on the type of the load, and there is no place to hook on the inside of the rail for a 2-inch ratchet or even a 4-inch ratchet. It's only for the winches, because my trailer has nowhere to hook a strap on the inside of the rub rail on the driver's side. But on the passenger side, there is. Right here, I can hook on the inside of the rub rail, which is, as you can see, I'm using my 2-inch and 4-inch straps exactly as intended to, okay? Doing that exactly as I'm intended to. The law specifically states that you can hook to the rub rail or outside of the rub rail if the load does not permit you to go on the inside of the rail, or under special circumstances like my 2-inch ratchet binders that can only hook on the outside. That is the law. Read it up, folks. If you're arguing with me, don't argue, because that is the law, and I've been driving for 6 years, never ever got an out-of-service ticket or any out-of-service ticket for that type of load securement.